Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Cardano ADA. We can see right now $1.07, a 30% increase just in the last week alone. If we take a look at the last month, it's about a 14.53% increase, but the most impressive to me personally is this massive jump. So a 9 to 10% increase just in the last 24 hours alone. And we had huge opportunities in the past to invest actually below 80 cents. If you look here, we had 79 cents March 11th, 7 p.m. We had over here about 78 cents, 77 cents February 24th. So you guys are already looking at some great profits if you guys were dollar cost averaging in on these dips. And we're seeing $1.07, and I think we can go much, much higher. There's a lot of great updates for today. We're going to be kind of discussing and talking about where and how high we will actually be going in the next couple of weeks and months ahead. So let's jump straight into it and take a look at the very first thing we're going to be jumping into is margiex. So before we get started into Cardano and talk a little bit about it, I want to say margiex is definitely one of the best and most reliable ways to actually trade Bitcoin with up to 100 times leverage, as well as so many other cryptocurrencies. So if you guys are looking to get involved with crypto, you're going to need a place to buy and sell. Well, margiex is really kind of exactly that. We jump into the margiex trade, or really the margiex graph, you can see how you can buy at 42.5K right now on the left side. And we have the sell market as well being right below that. And then we have on the right side the order book. So the price being 42.5K, you can see how many orders are on the sell and how many are on the buy and where exactly we're at currently. So this is a great way to continue to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And it does have Cardano. So that's another thing to kind of mention. Thank you guys for, like I said, jumping into today's video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on, though. Let's jump right back into today's video. So one of the biggest reasons Cardano is going to be doing very well in 2022 is because it's increasing the transaction throughput of Cardano. Diffusion pipelining, scheduled for this summer, will increase the budget for block propagation and validation times, allowing for larger blocks and increased transaction throughput. Here's a technical research perspective. So I'm not going to jump through this. It's a very, very long and pretty detailed article, but this is definitely something you guys could look at if you want to learn a little bit more about what's coming this summer for Cardano. Definitely a lot of pros, not very many cons for the future of Cardano. So if you guys want to stay up to date, make sure to like the video. Like I said, subscribe to this channel because we are going to be talking about it quite a bit on this channel because I do, like I said, see a very big potential for a bullish run. I want to give you guys a quick refresh before we talk a little bit more about what's going on with Cardano. A 9.43% increase. We're continuing to see that steady incline. But I want to jump to the next Twitter post. So this one's a good one. It talks about Cardano's total value locked hits an all-time high of $405.7 million. That's very, very high. We're continuing to see a lot of total value locked rising in this rate that we have continued to see retail as well as institutional investors taking advantage of that 70 to 80 cents price point that we've been talking about dollar cost averaging in for a while. I do want to say, guys, as well, one of the cool things about Cardano is that 4 to 5% APY staking. Definitely take advantage of that. If you don't know how, I could always help you out. Let me know in the comments, and I'll try to put you guys or point you guys to the right direction. We also have congrats Cardano Army with winning the pool. So this is actually a big one. Atomic Wallet product team just started research on ADA NFTs integration to Atomic Wallet. So this is, like I said, a very big deal for Cardano NFTs. Getting this kind of support, this kind of integration is definitely going to help with the overall success of Cardano NFTs. We have Charles Hoskinson actually kind of mentioning something on Twitter as well that's kind of important here. Remember when I predicted thousands of assets and DApps on Cardano? Well, I was wrong. There are now millions of native assets issued, and DApps are now in the hundreds. So slow and steady is exactly what they always say wins the race. So Cardano is doing it slow and steady. They're doing it right. They're continuing to put out huge upgrades to the actual network itself. And with that, I do think, like I said, Cardano will be one of those coins a lot of people wish they got involved in that 70 to 80 cent price point. As we continue forward, we do have another great article to jump into. This one talks about how Cardano's price analysis, all eyes on the $1 as ADA explodes 8% daily. So ADA had a fantastic week so far with price rallying towards that $1 and keeping a promising pace. So we have key supports at that 78 and 68 cents. The resistance levels were $1 and $1.20. So our next resistance, $1.20. We already passed that dollar. We're looking very, very solid. It's a very, very strong resistance at $1.20, so it'll be great to continue to see if Cardano can push past it. As we jump into the next article, we have cryptos reclaim $2 trillion capitalization. Cardano ADA leads gains in majors. So, crypto markets added nearly 3.2% to their overall market cap in the past 24 hours, which is absolutely huge. I mean, lots of money being thrown right into the crypto market. Obviously, this has been manipulation money before, and it could be that again, but as of now, it's looking very solid and very, very bullish. A run in cryptocurrency pushed the overall market capitalization back above that $2 trillion mark, a level last seen earlier this month before global markets slumped amid the war in Ukraine and tighter monetary policy in the West. Cardano ADA led gains among major cryptocurrencies with nearly a 7% jump in the past 24 hours. Like we said, guys, now we are up to a 9.43% jump as I give it another refresh, kind of just giving it an update, 9.48% jump. So it's looking, like I said, very, very, very good. We have one more article that we're going to jump into today, and this is just another bullish article. Cardano is back trading above 50-day EMA. Bullish breakthrough in play. So a lot of people seeing that there is potential for bullish breakthroughs. We see here in this chart, 97 cents is what they saw before they even made this article. It's crazy to see $1.07 already. I think we do have huge, huge plays on board. So I want to jump and talk a little bit, or jump back over to the Cardano chart and talk a little bit about where we could see it going in the next couple of years. So right now, in this current current standing of $1.07, there's huge potential to actually reach that $1.25, kind of leap past $1.20. It's just going to take continued market strength. So if we do have the market kind of setback altogether, Cardano will probably, unfortunately, go right below that dollar yet again. There could be a little bit of resistance, or not resistance, but support there at $1, but realistically, $1.20 is going to be the price to beat. So we have to continue to see this market do well if we want to see Cardano break $1.20 and continue onward. There's big updates, like I said, coming this summer for Cardano, and I think that is going to spark and really continued push, or continued bullish push in this summer. So we'll see what happens. I do expect anywhere between $2 to $5 by the end of this summer, potentially much, much more by the end of this bull market. Obviously, I don't believe we're quite in that bull market trend quite yet, but I think we are very, very close to it, and potentially will break through into a bull market in the summer as well. With that, Cardano easily could reach $7 to $10 with the right momentum, the right people investing, the right kind of advertising, marketing. So we'll see what happens there. The updates have been absolutely huge on Cardano's network. We'll see how well that continues to integrate. Thank you guys again for tuning in. If you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I will see you guys all in the next one.